Hello there, my name is Prabhat Vijayasiri, and today we are going to learn about how JavaScript can access and update the content of web page while it is in the browser window. With HTML, we can make any web page, but HTML is not a programming language. As a result, we can't use any control structures such as sequence, selection, and repetition. If we only use HTML, we can create only static web pages, which mean they can't update while they are loaded in web browser. So how can we make dynamic content web page? That is where JavaScript come into play. But to do anything with code in JavaScript, we need an object. That is where DOM or Document Object Model is very helpful for JavaScript. DOM creates tree-like structure for HTML code. We all know about HTML tags. They are straightforward. Every HTML5 documents start with doc type, and then we have HTML tag, which will close in there. In between, we have the head tag, and within the head, we have the title tag. Inside the HTML tag, we have another tag called body, and all the content that display on the web page we create in between the body tags. As you can see in here, within the body tags, we can have an h1 tag and paragraph tag. And in between the paragraph tag, we can use the br tag for line breaking. After the first paragraph, we have h2 tag followed by a button, and after the button, we have a list. However, when viewing this web page from a browser, the list is not visible. This is because we have added functionality to our web page. This button can show or hide the list. So how does it work? With help of DOM, JavaScript can get all the object from the HTML document. As you can see, our HTML code can be converted into tree of object. This is what we call DOM. Take a look at this simple JavaScript. In the first line, it loads our HTML page as a DOM. And then, with the help of ID, JavaScript can get those elements as variables. There are two variables in here. The first one is the button, which will get toggle button element, and the second variable is hidden text, which gets the element that has an ID of hidden text. After that, with this line of code, we can hide any element that we can get to the hidden text variable. In this case, it is the order list object with an ID of hidden text. And by adding the CSS property of style.display equal to none, we can hide it from view. Then we create a function for the left mouse click by using add event listener with the click event. Inside that function, we use selection control structure with help of if and else statement. Then, when certain condition is met, the element is set to visible. Otherwise, it's remain hidden. This JavaScript function facilitates this functionality. I hope you now understand what document object model is and how it allows JavaScript to update already loaded web page content. If you think this is a good content, you can show your appreciation by subscribing to my channel, liking and sharing my videos. As an educator, I want to share my knowledge with all of you. Thank you.